Okay, so before we do anything, we're going to have to download two apps. I chose the MP3 converter. It is a free 3-day trial. After that, it's $3.99 a year. Also, GarageBand. It's already free and loaded onto your iPhone. First, you're going to go to YouTube. You're going to choose a video that you want to use. We're going to skim through the 30 seconds that we're going to use for the iPhone ringtone. I'm going to choose this part. Here we go. Do that for 30 seconds. Then, go to the MP3 converter app. You're going to click the bottom middle button and say import from camera roll. It's going to be the top left hand corner. That's the video we're going to use. You click it again. In this section, you're going to trim the parts we're not going to use and use for the ringtone. Do a little side test to see if it sounds good enough. You can edit the volume. Then we're going to push the purple button. After that, you click the orange ringtone button. Click GarageBand. The very left selection is going to click it. Click OK. A little side test, yada yada, nothing crazy. Click the down triangle, My Songs. Again, the very left section is what you click. Click Share, Ringtone. Click that. Continue. Here you can rename the ringtone as anything you want. I'm going to do anime tone number 2. Excellent. Use sound as standard ringtone. Then we go to settings, sounds and haptics, ringtone. Let's test it out. Very nice. And then you can use anything that's not on the iTunes store, such as or maybe and all of these I edited myself because they're not on the iTunes store. I hope you enjoyed the video and get some good ringtones. Squad!